Today we will replace the broken lock assembly on this 2002 Chevy Avalanche. As you see, the plastic handle is broken off and these are not sold separate. We ordered a new one and we will show how we replace it step by step. On the inside of the tailgate there's 5 screws. We will need a T30 and a T40 bits to unscrew them. First we unscrew the 2 outside ones with the T30, which hold the plastic handle housing. The other 3 screws are T40s. They hold the lock assembly. We'll get to them later. To finish taking off the plastic handle cover, we need to pry off 2 bottom clips. Using one of these trim removal tools will avoid damage to the plastic and the tailgate paint. Now we can unscrew the 3 T40s holding the lock with the handle. Once all 3 are removed, the lock assembly is now loose, but it has the left and right rods still attached to it. Each are held by these green clips. Using a pick tool is the best way to unlock these plastic clips and allow the rod to slide off the lock assembly. After unlocking the right side, we do the same to the left clip lock. Now we're able to unlatch the rod clip and slide the end of the rod out of the lock. We notice the piece that's part of the door skin is in the way and prevents the old lock to slide out of the top. And trying to pry it out, we noticed it's flexible and it may have just enough flexibility to be able to pry it enough to get the lock out. We finally got it out with some prying and twisting. To be able to put the new one in, we're going to have to get more creative, not to damage it. We heard of others cutting this piece off to clear the way for the lock exchange, but we want to avoid that. Here's a better look at the 2 rods going to each tailgate lock. Here we are with the new one, and the skin piece of the tailgate is definitely going to make it hard to slide in the new part. Definitely need more than 2 hands for this. Using a 12-inch screwdriver, I position it behind the body piece and pry it out to provide as much room as possible to let the new lock slide into place. A little difficult, especially with the handle in the way. We managed to get it in by prying the top to clear the 2 rubber bumpers. Now we insert the 2 rods in the clips, 1 on each side. Lift the lock on the clip and insert the rod and press the lock back in to hold it in place. We do the same to the other rod. And lock the clip in. And it's now time to screw in the new lock with the 3 T40 screws. Before putting back the cover, double check that the clips are secure, and when pulling the handle, both side locks of the tailgate open and close. And that's about it. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video, and you all have a great day.